Welcome back, everyone. The Dallas Opera is gearing up to once again present an event of epic proportions, a simulcast from AT&T Stadium. Channel 8 is a proud creative partner and sponsor, and we want to welcome Keith Cerny here today. He's the General Director and CEO of the Opera. He's going to tell us more about it. Keith, we've worked together now. This will be the third year in a row you've had the simulcast. When you set out to do this, I know you had a certain level of expectations, which were, would you say, exceeded?
We absolutely exceeded expectations. The first year we hoped for about 2,500 people, and of course had nearly 15,000.
Yeah. And it's continued to gain in popularity, and it seems to be, by all appearances, a multi-generational, a multifaceted audience of people. The interest in opera is far greater than I would have expected, which I think is a credit to the way you've presented it to people.
Well, thank you, and it's been very reassuring to see how many people of all different ages and backgrounds are interested in these events. We get whole families with young children, we get people there who have never been to an opera before. We get regular goers. It's really a wonderful mixture.
Right, and I know your philosophy is if you start them out young and introduce them maybe in a venue like this with nachos and hot dogs, that maybe at some point they'll be regular season ticket holders for the Dallas Opera.
Absolutely, and we want to create a fun, welcoming experience. That's the most important thing, and the great thing about being in a stadium is it's a relaxed environment. There's food. We can show a cartoon before again, which we're going to do again this year. Yeah,
you're doing the Barber of Seville. Correct? Is the opera that's going to be simulcast?
That's right. Rossini's Barber of Seville, and we will be doing The Rabbit of Seville at 7 o'clock.
A classic, Warner Brothers Looney Tune. And now we want to put a call out. The simulcast, by the way, is going to be on April 11th. We want to put a call out here to singers. This is almost like an American Idols meets the Dallas Opera, for lack of a better description. You want anyone out there who can sing the national anthem to submit their video singing online, correct?
That's right. Anytime between now and March 28th, people can submit themselves singing or friends singing and have a chance to sing at the stadium for 15,000 of their best friends.
My gosh, this could get a lot of submissions. Are you prepared to deal with, who knows, hundreds of submissions maybe, and you have a panel of judges who are going to pick the winner?
Well, we hope to get a lot of interest, and in fact there'll be public voting, so the public will be picking one person, one vote who actually gets a chance to sing. We'd love to get a lot of people applying, and of course they have to be available on April 11th to sing at the stadium.
And your personal tradition is the hot dog run. Tell people what that is.
Well, I've gone the last 2 years to bring hot dogs back to our stage crew. I bring about 100 hot dogs, and they love it every year, so that's been part of the fun.
Take the opera to the stadium, bring the stadium to the opera. It's a reciprocal agreement, I guess, right?
It sure is. And the crews love it. It's a lot of fun, and it's a fun thing to do before.
All right, we want to let people know about submissions here for the singing competition. They will be accepted on YouTube and Vimeo through March 28th. You can then vote for your favorite, one person, one vote, on March 31st through April 6th. Of course, the big event, April 11th. For more information, go to dallasopera.org/simulcast, and we will hope maybe we'll be able to reveal the winner right here on Daybreak. Thank you very much, Keith. Appreciate it.